Welcome back to EXCELMAP. In this video, we'll discuss how to calculate the hours if it is more than 24. Generally, if you are calculating the hours directly, if it is more than 24, it won't give the exact value. For example, here there are hours. We'll do calculation. Just I'm doing Alt plus is equal to sum of this. We are getting only 8 hours and 2 minutes. But you can observe here, this one only 13 hours 12 minutes and 8 hours 29. Why it is? If it is more than 24 hours, so it won't calculate properly. That is the reason. First, once after doing sum, just go to the format cells, Control plus 1 and go to the custom, just give the square brackets, then OK. See here, totally it is 56 hours and 2 minutes. Friends, this is the way you can calculate the hours or more than 24, then we'll get exact value. There is some data, you can observe serial number, item and amount and total also, sum of this amount. And here there is a problem. In case if you wanted to see particular data, for that we are going to do filter. In that scenario, you are getting complete total amount, but I don't want complete total. Only I need filtered data total only. We'll see first. Just go to the filter, Control plus Shift plus L and just unselect a few things and OK. You can see the lux and the total is 1171. But I don't want this complete thing. Remove the filter. Here I'm going to use a function called subtotal is equal to subtotal and sum means 9. Then select the range, bracket close, enter. Now again do the filter, go to the items, remove this. Now you can see we are getting the total for lux only. So this is the way just you can do the total for only filtered data. We'll see how to autofill the only weekdays. I don't want to fill weekends, just we'll take the weekdays only. For that first I'm taking a date, Control plus semicolon and select the date, go to the file series, Alt HFIS and select the column to get vertically and select the date. Here you can select the weekday. If you are selecting the day, you are getting continuous dates including weekend also, but I don't want weekends. Select the weekday and give the end date. Here I'm giving September 30 and 2022, then say OK. See here, you are getting the dates excluding weekends. That means you are getting only the weekdays 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12. There is no 10 and 11. This is the way you are going to autofill only weekdays. We'll discuss how to delete the blank rows in between the data. It's very important and easy one to understand. First, just select the data and Control plus G, go to special, just select blanks. OK, now it is selecting only the blank cells. Then we'll delete this rows, Alt H D D. Now we are getting the delete and select shift cells up. That means once after deleting the blank rows, remaining next rows are coming towards up. That's why we are selecting shift cells up and OK. So this is the way we can delete the blank rows in between the data. In this data, you can observe there are blank cells. How the blank cells are. For this Alice mutton, these are all blank cells. That means these blank cells also indicate only Alice mutton and same like anise syrup also. But this time just I wanted to fill this blank cells with the above data. That means for these cells just I want to fill with Alice mutton and here also I want to fill with anise syrup. First what we'll do, select all, Control plus A, then Control plus G, go to special, select blanks and OK. Now just is equal to select top cell, then press Control plus enter. This is the way you can fill the blank cells with the top cells data. Thank you friends. Please like our video and please do subscribe our YouTube channel.